Auberge Yusura in Mie Prefecture in Ise, which is a famous place, particularly known for Ise Jingu, or the Ise Grand Shrine, one of the most important Shinto shrines in all of Japan, and a place where just about any Japanese would call a bucket list place and something that they feel obliged to visit. Not quite like Mecca, but it's just something that it's part of the national identity. And so it's in the Kii Peninsula in Mie Prefecture. And there's also other things to do. The Kii Peninsula is a huge peninsula, not much public transportation, although to this area there is. And there's a lot of things to do in the immediate area, Ise and Toba. There's aquariums, there's kind of marine parks, you know, the Ise Grand Shrine, kind of family-friendly destination as well. And so this Auberge Yusura has 5 rooms. And today we have rented out the entire Ryokan because we have a party of 5, well, not 5 people, 5 groups of people, family and relatives. This is the place, kind of a lounge and gathering place, and also where you check in. And the so Auberge Yusura was built in about it's in its 8th year, so 2018-ish, and so a little bit before COVID. And you can see here there is a lake, but it's a saltwater lake. I don't know if it's man-made or not, although I'm guessing that that is probably the case. 5 rooms. Now all of them are similar in aesthetic, although Keaki room is the one that's slightly more spacious at 80 square meters, whereas the others have 65 square meters. And they do have hot springs, private hot springs bath in each of the rooms. So the other guests are still not here, which are my relatives. Again, very peaceful. There's not much on the other side, so you have an air of tranquility. I'm exploring this at the same time that I'm showing this to you. Pretty cool, kind of the rock formations. I don't know if it's carved by man or women, people. It's pretty little grounds. So Auberge Yusura is extremely highly regarded among Japanese travelers. The feedback from guests is very strong, which is why we chose to stay here. Particularly the food, which in spite of the auberge name, it is Japanese food. So I will show you where we're going to dine for our meals, both dinner and breakfast. But let me walk past the rooms first. So this one you can see 1, 2, 3 rooms, and then there's 2 rooms in the opposite side of the main reception and dining area. So we'll go back in. All right. So back to the lounge. And then tonight, since we have a large group, and we're renting out the place. This is where we will have our meals. But depending on, if there's 5 different individual groups, then they can divide up the rooms. They divide up the areas. For instance, here's another nook where they can serve, and they can close the sliding rice doors. Here's another one. Here's another one. Oh no, this is a hallway, but there's restrooms for people who want to, who are dining and don't want to go all the way back to the room. And there's another dining area in a more of a Japanese style layout. And here you'll have a better view. This one, どうも。これが一番いい景色だね。
はい、こちらでございます。
はい。So this is. Anyway, so this is. You can see over here are the other rooms. The 4th and 5th room. This is the lake. And there's another room over there as well. So this is kind of the main grounds and the main building and the dining area of Auberge Yusura. This is, for the next 2 nights, this will be our second home.